Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my moisturizing routine after I've washed my hair. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So after my wash day routine, I like to go into my moisturizing routine. And when it comes to my moisturizing routine, the first thing I like to use is a leave-in spray. The leave-in spray that I'm using is the Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher that is part of my hair care line. So I like to spray that all over my hair, and then once I do that, then I'll go in with the aloe vera buttercream. I like to use the butter as a sealant. After you use a leave-in, it is best to use a butter or an oil to help seal in the moisture. When your hair is wet, it is at its most fragile state. So you got to make sure that you properly moisturize your hair so that way your hair doesn't become dry and brittle, and it also helps to prevent damage. Also, these products are part of my hair strengthening collection. I like to use these products before I go into a protective style and also after I've removed my protective style, because it helps to repair your hair strands while improving strength, texture, and providing moisture to your hair. So after I've applied these products to each section of my hair, then I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair all the way down to the ends. I'm going to attempt to do like my first actual braid out. So we're going to see how this turns out. So as I'm moisturizing my routine, I wanted to give you guys a few more reasons that you may not be seeing progress when it comes to hair growth, or you may not see progress after you removed your protective style. There was a few reasons that I discussed in my takedown and detangle video, but I wanted to touch on a few more reasons why you may not be seeing progress. So another reason why you may not be seeing progress is, one, you are not paying attention to your diet. In order to grow healthy hair, paying attention to your diet is key. If you're lacking specific nutrients in your diet, you may start to see the effects on your hair. Essential fatty acids such as omega-3s are important in keeping your hair healthy. Vitamins will also boost your hair growth, while proteins are critical in maintaining healthy hair. A deficiency in these nutrients and important minerals can lead to brittle hair and lead to hair loss. A healthy person sheds between 50 to 100 strands per day. These numbers may be extremely high if your body is not getting the right nutrients. Malnutrition or the lack of a proper diet can take a toll, leading to hair loss and also inhibiting hair growth. Another reason could be that you're using the wrong hair products. It's important to take your time and choose hair products that are suitable for your hair type. Using the wrong products can lead to hair damage and stunt hair growth. For example, if you have thin hair, choose shampoos with a gentle cleansing agent or one that will boost collagen production to give you thicker and longer strands. If you have oily hair, get shampoos that can help in removing excessive oils from your hair. If you have dry or damaged hair, get shampoos with gentle and natural ingredients may be the best to ensure that your hair strands are moisturized. Moisturizing products can help in hydrating and moisturizing dry, flaky hair, while protein-packed products will help in revitalizing hair that breaks easily after a wash or styling session. Another reason could be that you're using too little or too much product. The amount of product to use is a matter of trial and error and learning what your hair loves. This might take a while to determine, but you'd rather take your time in learning how your hair behaves with product before you can determine the right amount of product. For example, shorter hair will not take up as much product as somebody with longer hair. Also, depending on your volume of your hair will determine how much product to use as well. Also, another reason could be that you are overwashing or underwashing your hair. Hair produces sebum on the scalp, and it is vital to keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Overwashing your hair will strip your hair of these oils, making your hair dry and damaged. Using harsh products when washing also contributes to damage and can also lead to hair loss. The frequency of washing your hair varies from hair type and the overall condition of your hair. Dry and damaged hair should be washed mindfully, while greasy hair may require more frequent washes. The last reason why you may not be seeing progress could be that you're comparing your hair growth journey to somebody else's hair growth journey. Never compare your journey to someone else's, it just leads to frustration. There are so many variable factors that it is not possible to have the exact same hair as the next person. Your hair will not grow at the same rate as someone else. Just take the time to really learn about your hair, see what your hair likes and see what your hair doesn't like. There is no rush. So those were the reasons that I think you may not be seeing progress when it comes to your hair growth journey. I tried to find some other reasons besides, trimming your hair, moisturizing your hair, and things like that. So I hope you found those reasons beneficial. If you have some other reasons why you think you may not be seeing progress, then you could leave those down in the description box. Not description box, the comment section. So after I finish moisturizing and braiding my hair, then I'm just going to take the Aloe Fenugreek Strengthening Hair Serum and I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp. This serum contains aloe vera extract, papaya seeds, chamomile, cloves, flaxseed, and other ingredients you can find on my website, icreolily.com. And then once I finish applying this all over my hair, I'm just going to massage it into my scalp for a little bit, and then I'm just going to allow my hair to air dry. So now it's a couple of days later, my hair has completely dried and I'm just taking down my braids. So this is like my first real attempt at doing a braid out. So I think it came out okay. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use like gel or mousse. So let me know down in the comment section, like, are you supposed to use gel or mousse? But I tried not to disturb the wave pattern too much, so I did try to separate them a little bit, but I did still get some like frizziness. But for the most part, for my first attempt at a braid out, I think it came out okay. But yeah, that is the end of my moisturizing routine. I am trying to take a break from protective styling, and I wanted to do like a heatless type of hairstyle, so a braid out was what I came up with. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.